Well, the stock on our radar is Escorts because that one has seen a sudden slip in trade. It's down about 5%. To clarify regarding what's happening in the company, Bharat Madan of Escorts is joining us, and to take us through the discussion, Sonia Shenoy is also joining us. Sonia, hi, over to you.
Well, thanks, Anisha. You know, there are some reports indicating that the Enforcement Directorate is investigating Escorts for some illegal price rigging between the promoters and Cyrus Poonawalla. And according to these reports, the senior management is likely to be summoned. So we have Mr. Bharat Madan with us. Mr. Madan, can you just clarify for us, you know, the stock is under pressure right now. What would you like to say on this issue?
Yes, Sonia, I think we have also been getting these messages since morning, but there's no truth in the statement. I think there's no investigation which is going on against the company. This company follows the highest level of corporate governance. If there was an issue, we definitely would have reported this matter to the stock exchanges. So as of now, the company hasn't got any notice from the Enforcement Act, just to put it on record.
Okay, so there's no truth to this statement, and you've not got any notice, but you've not even been approached by the Enforcement Directorate for any likely investigation in the near future?
No, not at all. It's all baseless rumors.
Okay, so the rumors are baseless is what you're saying. But, you know, the stock price has seen a significant rally over the past many months. Anything that you would like to share with investors on why the stock price has surged? Has there been an improvement in demand? Because the numbers are still indicating that there is some pressure in terms of demand.
I think we had made our statement. If you look at even the quarterly results when we announced, and obviously the results were way better than probably the street was expecting, and we also given a very positive outlook for the industry for the next 2 years. And obviously there was a lot of expectation was that the cyclical correction is setting in, and now we're seeing the revival happening on the ground in the next 2 years. So I'm sure it's a lot of positive sentiment which will fly, I think, in the next 2 years, and like good interest coming in from institutional investors too now. So maybe that's one of the reasons, and obviously otherwise it's very difficult to know what's happening in the stock market.
Okay, so just to confirm once again, you haven't been approached by any authorities for any kind of investigation, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Okay, all right, Mr. Madan. Thank you so much for sharing those details with us. Guys, it's back to you. I think the stock has recovered after the clarification that came in from the management.
Yeah, Sonia, thanks very much for that. So the stock is certainly off of the lows, now down just about 4% odd. So let's see if the street is entirely convinced. I can see a bit more pressure now at the top. But for now, Escorts maintaining that you know, there is no truth to the matter, and that the highest levels of corporate governance are maintained in the company. It's time for us to take another quick break. But as we do that, let's take a look at the top stories on Money Control Pro today. It's an anxious wait for the US-India trade deal. Another one today. Why has financial